On June 15th, Indian Railways announced its decision to provide 500 COVID isolation coaches for Delhi. The announcement came a day after Union Home Minister Amit Shah met Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal during an all-party meeting. The move is aimed to provide additional 8,000 beds for the city, which has more than 47,000 positive cases. What are railway isolation coaches? In March, the Prime Minister's office and government's multi-ministerial outbreak containment apparatus suggested to the Indian Railways that train coaches could be used as a last resort to keep isolated patients. These coaches are developed as COVID care level 1 centers where suspected cases or those with mild symptoms are to be kept. The suspected cases will be kept separate from those who have been tested positive. Apart from Delhi, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh have made their request for railway isolation coaches. So far, 5,321 non-AC sleeper class coaches of ICF variety have been converted by the 16 zonal railways through their workshops spread across India. How were these coaches selected? In the beginning of the pandemic, health experts were of the view that air-conditioned environments might help the spread of the virus. It was thought that well-ventilated rooms were comparatively safer. That is the reason why non-AC coaches were selected. 5,000 older coaches were earmarked for the process. Each coach has the capacity to admit 16 patients, which means there are 8,000 isolation beds.
The point which we discussed in detail, because all these COVID care coaches, we are expecting either corona patients or corona suspect, and therefore it was considered much better to have these coaches non-air conditioning. So I can just tell you that lot of discussion has gone into it, and after a very careful consideration and after discussing with the experts, this decision was taken.
How were they converted? Each sleeper coach is divided into 8 bays or cabins. In all the coaches, middle berths were removed so that each bay contains only 2 patients. 2 of the 4 toilets were converted into bathrooms. The windows were covered with mosquito nets. Plastic curtains were installed. Power plug pockets were installed for medical equipment in each bay. Each coach also has oxygen cylinders. Each coach has been converted at a cost of around rupees 2 lakh. The total cost of converting over 5,000 coaches is said to be around rupees 100 crore. What are the challenges? The summer heat inside the coaches was said to be the biggest challenge. Several ideas were discussed to tackle the heat, but it was finally decided to go with insulating the roofs inside the coaches. A solution has been developed by IIT Bombay which brings down the temperature in the coach by several degrees. Disposal of toilet waste was another issue, especially in remote areas, as it could be potentially infectious. Chlorine tablets and bioenzyme solutions have been used to disinfect the toilets. Besides, batteries of coaches had to be charged and water had to be refilled. After discussions with the Health Ministry, 215 stations were identified across India. These coaches, which are mobile units, could be used to pick up patients and then return to the base railway stations.